And here's the key part most people miss. The government is allowed to benefit from intelligence without ever speaking to the person who generated it. That's not a loophole, that's standard operating procedure. Why the Associate United States Attorney's denial is technically true, the denial that WAC 100 and 600 has never talked to their crew, and strategically necessary. When the AUSA says we never spoke to WAC 100 or 600, that statement is narrow by design. It does not mean they didn't analyze his content, they didn't map his relationships, they didn't corroborate claims that originated around him, that they didn't already have overlapping info from other sources. It only means no direct interview, no proffer, no confidential human source handling. Why say it publicly?